Today I will be showing you how to root HP Slate 7 voice tab. So first of all you need three things. First of all the cable which will be connected from laptop to the tablet. The second thing will be required, two apps will be required. First will be Super SU. Here you can see Super SU. One will be required, Root Checker. You can download both the apps from Play Store. After downloading this app, you need to have a app in your laptop which is called Kingo Root. This app is required. This app is required to root the this your HP tab. So I am showing you how to root. Here it is not connected, now it is showing connecting, and please make sure that your USB debugging is on. And now how to USB debugging on, it's a silly question, you must know it, and I have also provided the link how to USB debugging, how to on the USB debugging. Now here you can see mine is showing two buttons, remove root and root again. So mine is already rooted, but your will show only one, that is root. When you click on root, it will start rooting. Now if one more thing you need to take care is that if your device does not get recognized on Windows, so you need to download an ADB driver installer. So you can, I will also provide the link for this. You can download this and you can enjoy the root. So now we will proceed for the root purpose. So friends, here you can see the icon is showing root. So now click on the root button, and I have clicked. It is showing rooting, and it is showing rooting percentage. This app is quite good because we do not take load, it automatically does all the thing. You have to wait for a while. And this is my HP tab. It automatically opens the Kingo root app in my tab, so nothing to worry about. It has done already. Rooting has been completed up to 10%. So just wait until it gets done. So I will be waiting. So I am just skipping this part up. Now you can see it has been completed up to 28%. One important thing I want to tell you that do not let your tablet to go in dim mode. After a few seconds keep touching so that it does not go to sleep mode or dim mode. Okay, we have to wait because it's a long process, so it will take time up to complete up to 100%. You can see I got the message that root is succeeded. So now here you also can see in the logo that the root is succeeded. So now what I have to do is just go to Super User and Root Checker. Now open Root Checker, and we will verify whether the root is our Play Store has been. Now allow them, and you can see congratulations, your root access has been properly done. So this is all that how you can root. It's quite easy process, but if you got stuck, you can restart it. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for watching me, and please do like, subscribe and comment.